What's happening, people? This is Prajit here, back with another vlog, and I'm at Hampi right now. We are going around Hampi. We're gonna be going around all the temples, and we have a plan to go to the waterfalls as well. I'm not really sure. We only have a day to complete all of this. We're gonna give our best to complete everything, but let's see what happens at the end of the day. But anyway, we are at Waterfalls guest house right now. That's Abhinandan for you, my school buddy, and this is where we are staying. We thought of staying at this place because this is more, it's more like an eco-friendly place, and we can, I mean, it is more towards, you know, the rural side of it. Look at that, look at that, those houses there, right? The cottages, right? These are like made of mud and you know, cow dung. If you see, it's all cow dung over there. I know it sounds yuck, but it's actually really nice. So yeah, that's the thing. I'm gonna show you around the hostel right now, and right next to the, it's not a hostel, it's a cottage, it's a guest house. Right next to the guest house is the other paddy fields, and you can have a look around that as well. And yes, the whole of Hampi today. Just stay tuned, you guys are gonna see some amazing footages. As I said, more closer to the nature. Feels amazing. I'm crying right now. Just look at the structure right behind me, and it's so nice. Like, this place is identified from Unesco as an heritage site, and this is the reason why. But there are few people who spoil this site by, you know what? Look at that. I mean, why to spoil the place, man? I really don't understand. You drink, no problems, but then don't spoil the place. Breaking the bottles on the rocks and stuff, it's gonna hurt people and spoil the place as well, the beauty. But yeah, I love this place. There's a river. This is the Tungabhadra river, by the way, and I'm just gonna go down the river there and make you guys see what it looks like. So we're just crossing the river right now. Usually you can't cross the river, you need to take a boat, but it's, as you can see, it's all dry, so you can walk it. Poor people, the people on boat, they do not have earnings because of this. Everybody is actually crossing, and look at that. That's the temple, the two temples. Yeah, so walking up there. Oh, look at that. This place is so pretty. Look at that. Alright, so we have a situation here. We have to cross the river. It's not dry as I thought. But yeah, we're gonna try doing that. Yeah, go. Oh, it's cold. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Oh, it's actually a situation, man. Oh man, look at that. हाँ नहीं गिर रहा यार, बस इसको जाते इसके पीछे चलते हैं. You first.
You first.
Me second. Follow you. Okay, I follow you.
Come on.
Yes.
Okay. What is your name?
Huh?
What is your name?
My name is Prajit.
Prajit. Your country?
Country is India. I don't. Do I look like a foreigner?
Oops.
Slow, yeah? Yeah. Very slow.
Slow.
Okay. आप यहाँ के हैं?
Yeah.
हम्पी.
Hampi.
ओके. वो कौन सा टेम्पल है आगे? वो
देवस्थान.
देवस्थाना.
हाँ, प्लास्टिक का.
नहीं वो सूख गया है. It's okay. Thank you. Take care. आप मेरे ब्लॉग में आने वाला YouTube चैनल.
Nice.
Cheers. Okay. I think it's that way. Yeah, that's the way. But oh yeah, there's a small pond here. Well, this place in Hampi is all about climbing. The whole place of Hampi is all about climbing mountains and stairs, and look at that. हम ऑलरेडी इतनी ऊपर चल के आ चुके हैं और जाना है. चलो चलते हैं. आज तो वर्कआउट हो ही रहा है अच्छा खासा. So there's finally a place which is cool and it's not hot. And every stone I see, like the pillars and stuff, it has carvings. Like, look at that. Really nice. We all go to these places which are commercial. This is not that commercial and very peaceful and spiritual as well. Must come. Not really sure if you guys can see this, but that's a Ganesh Murti, which is big. This is huge. Wow. What you see ahead is Krishna Bazaar, and it used to be a bazaar once upon a time. So that's another Ganesh temple right here, and the structures are like just amazing. Yeah. It's pretty dark inside, but I don't know. Right there. And these are like seats and stuff, but they've kept some benches to sit. I just don't understand, how are these rocks on top of like another rock? Very strange. Need to find the history of it. Look at that. My friend Abhinandan is sitting right there. Oh! पीछे से रास्ता है उस पार जाने को. चलते. I can see the whole of Hampi from here. Just climb the hill right now. And the view is spectacular. Look at that. All you see is Hampi. And I'm actually going on the other side where we can see the Tungabhadra river as well. So let's get to the other side. place is actually called the Sunset Point, Hemakuta Hill. If you can see, Sunset Point, Hemakuta Hill, and yeah, the view is really nice. So I just got to the other side of the hill, and I told you a while back that I'll be going to the other side, and we'll be able to see the Tungabhadra river. It's not that clear because it's a little far, but right behind that temple, if you can see some water kind of thing, that's Tungabhadra river. It's a little dry. It's usually because it's not, the monsoons are, we're done with monsoon, so not much of water. So right now we are at the Gopi Island restaurant, and we're just chilling over here with a glass of beer to cool down ourselves because the heat is bad outside. Yes, the temperature is good, but the sun is literally pricking me. So thought of just having a sip of beer and then going ahead. So I was just asking, he works over here at the restaurant. So I was just asking him which place to go. So he said, which is that lake?
Sanapur Lake.
Sanapur Lake. So we heading to Sanapur Lake mostly right after this, and there's this waterfall. Hanuman Temple, what we thought of, is not possible because there's a lot of crowd because it was Hanuman Jayanti, it was Hanuman's birthday yesterday. So because of which there's a lot of crowd, so we've cancelled that. I really wanted to see, but that's okay. Next time maybe. So yeah, that's the update. And this is the restaurant. I'll just show you guys the restaurant. And those are some paddy fields right there. Amazing. Woo! So right now we are at Sanapur Lake, and it is a really nice lake. Trust me, I've been sitting here for a while. We've been chilling and stuff. It's superb. Have a look, guys. Like, so pretty, so pretty. And the best part is, you see the cliff right there? People are actually jumping from there, from the cliff onto the water. I want to do that as well, but just that I haven't got any clothes to wear post being on the water, so I'm not gonna do that right now. Maybe next time for sure I'm gonna plan this. We didn't know there's something like this. We just came here and we realized, yes, you can jump from the cliff and stuff. Anyway, so that's Sanapur Lake for you. We might go to the waterfalls. Not really sure if I'm gonna do that or not because it's actually very sunny, super hot, and yeah, so maybe if I go to the waterfalls, I'll update you guys. I'll show you guys how the waterfalls is, or else it's our guest house again as usual. So this is the waterfall according to people, but I don't really see a waterfall here. But apparently the place is really nice. It's all rocky, as you can see. It's water here, rocky. ये जगह बना है शूटिंग के लिए. यहाँ पे शूटिंग वूटिंग करो मस्त. एक हीरो और हीरोइन मस्त ऐसे नाच रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक रॉक्स के ऊपर. ये सीन के लिए ये जगह परफेक्ट रहेगा मेरे ख्याल से. बट वाटरफॉल्स है नहीं. मेरे ख्याल से इधर चलना पड़ सकता है. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर. मैं कोई दिख भी तो नहीं रहा यहाँ से किसी को पूछने के लिए. थोड़ा चल के देखता हूँ इधर उधर. अगर दिखता है तो आप लोगों को भी दिखा दूंगा, नहीं तो फिर यही है आपका वाटरफॉल्स. और क्या, फाइनली काफ़ी ऊपर चढ़ गए आए हम, और उसके बाद जो दिखा वो ये है. अगर आप इसको वाटरफॉल कहते हैं तो ये वाटरफॉल्स है, ठीक है. मेरे लिए तो नहीं है ये वाटरफॉल्स. लोग कहते हैं यहाँ यही वाटरफॉल्स है, एंजॉय करो, यहाँ पर जाएगा तो अच्छा व्यू है वगैरह कहा था. तो हमने बोला ठीक है यहाँ पे आके देखते हैं वाटरफॉल्स, और तब से हम वाटरफॉल ही कर रहे हैं। बट जो भी है यही है। So I am ending the vlog right here. That was Hampi for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video. Couldn't visit all the places because of less time, because we just had a day with us, and I have further plans to go down south, South India. So yeah, so that's about it. Do like, share and subscribe, and do visit Hampi for sure. I mean, this place is a must visit place and I completely recommend it. Till then, love you guys.